Welcome to my channel, Animal Facts. I'm host, and here, we unravel fascinating insights about the incredible creatures that share our world. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's embark on this exciting journey into the animal kingdom together. Today, we're delving into the mysteries of the night, uncovering incredible facts about owls, bats, and other fascinating night-active animals. Let's dive into the nocturnal world together.
Owls. Our journey begins with owls, the silent hunters of the night. Did you know that their feathers are specially designed for silent flight, giving them the element of surprise during hunts? Owls possess impeccable night vision, allowing them to navigate through darkness effortlessly. Those large, captivating eyes are a window into their nocturnal world. With over 200 species worldwide, owls come in all shapes and sizes. From the petite elf owl to the majestic snowy owl, each one has its own unique charm. Owls have a remarkable sense of hearing, thanks to asymmetrical ear openings. This allows them to locate prey accurately, even in total darkness. Intriguingly, owls produce regurgitated pellets containing indigestible parts of their prey. These pellets provide valuable insights into their diet and hunting habits. Owls have the ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, giving them an incredible range of vision. It's like having eyes in the back of their heads. The barn owl is known for its heart-shaped facial disc, which helps funnel sound to its ears. This adaptation enhances its already impressive hearing. Unlike most birds, owls are known for being more active during the night. Their nocturnal lifestyle is an adaptation that aids in hunting and avoiding daytime predators. Owls are found on every continent except Antarctica. This global distribution showcases their adaptability to various ecosystems. The haunting calls of owls are a staple in many folklore and cultural beliefs, often representing wisdom or foretelling events. It's a testament to the impact these birds have had on human imagination.
Bats. Now, soar into the world of bats, the masters of the night sky. Did you know that some bats can reach speeds of over 99 miles per hour in flight? Bats are unique in that they are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Their wings are formed by elongated fingers covered in a thin membrane. Echolocation is a superpower for bats. They emit high-frequency sounds and use the returning echoes to navigate, hunt for prey, and avoid obstacles in complete darkness. The diet of bats is incredibly diverse, ranging from insects to fruit, nectar, and even blood. Some bats play a vital role in pollination, making them crucial for ecosystem health. Bats exhibit a wide range of sizes, from the tiny bumblebee bat, roughly the size of a large bumblebee, to the massive flying foxes with wingspans exceeding 5 feet. Bats are long-lived creatures, with some species having lifespans of over 30 years. This longevity is exceptional among mammals of their size. The Mexican free-tailed bat holds the record for the longest migration of any mammal, covering thousands of miles between North and South America. The unique sleeping position of bats, hanging upside down, serves multiple purposes. It conserves energy, allows for a quick takeoff, and offers protection from ground predators. Bats play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. A single bat can consume hundreds of insects in just 1 hour, contributing to natural pest control. While some bats are nocturnal, others are crepuscular or diurnal, showcasing the adaptability of these fascinating mammals to different activity patterns. Night-active animals. Our exploration concludes with a look at other night-active wonders. Did you know that some animals have evolved incredible camouflage strategies to blend seamlessly into their nighttime environments? Bioluminescence, the production and emission of light by living organisms, is a captivating feature in certain night-active animals. Fireflies, fungi, and deep-sea creatures are among those that utilize this mesmerizing phenomenon. Nocturnal mammals, such as raccoons and certain rodents, have adapted to navigate the night, avoiding predators and capitalizing on resources when competition is lower. Some animals, like the ii from Madagascar, have specialized adaptations for nighttime foraging. The ii has a unique elongated finger to extract insects from tree bark. The eyes of many night-active animals, including cats, are equipped with a layer of cells called the tapetum lucidum. This enhances their night vision by reflecting light within the eye. The iconic howling of wolves is often associated with nighttime activities. Wolves are social animals that use vocalizations to communicate and coordinate within their pack. The slow loris is a nocturnal primate, with large, round eyes and a deliberate movement. It relies on its nocturnal lifestyle to avoid predators and hunt for insects. Nocturnal insects, such as moths, play a vital role in pollination and contribute to the health of plant ecosystems. Their nighttime activities are crucial for flowering plants. Nocturnal reptiles, like geckos, have specialized eyes with vertical pupils that aid in low-light vision. This adaptation helps them navigate and hunt during the night. Nocturnal animals, with their unique adaptations and behaviors, contribute significantly to the balance and diversity of ecosystems. Exploring their world adds a new dimension to our understanding of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the night. If you've enjoyed learning about owls, bats, and other night-active animals, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow nature enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting wildlife content. Let us know in the comments which nocturnal wonder amazed you the most. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with animals. Fact. Thanks for joining our nocturnal adventure. Like, subscribe, and share with fellow nature lovers.